Vlogmas. I'm driving right now, so I'm hardly gonna be looking at the camera. And I am doing a wedding today. It's a Sunday, and it's all the way out in Long Island. So, and it's raining. Look at this shit. It sucks. I am going to pick up one of my friends that's doing the hair for the wedding. So I'm first driving to Hoboken to get her, and then we're gonna drive all the way to Long Island. And I just wish the weather was nicer for this drive. I could be in the car for like 3 hours at least.
She does the makeup. This is my
Okay. Hey, so I just got back from the wedding. It's Sunday night. I didn't film today as much as I wanted to. I just feel so uncomfortable like asking people like if I can film them. But in this day and age, I probably don't even have to ask. I should probably just like whip my camera out until someone's like, no. You know, because everyone I have asked is like, yeah, sure, and like all for it. But yeah, so I have to get over that. But right now I'm just going to edit yesterday's and post that hopefully tonight. If not tonight, tomorrow if it gets too late. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the morning.
Hi, little baby. I'm going to get new bows. You're gonna go to the groomer? Yeah? Oh yeah, we can get some red bows for Christmas? Okay. Oh, hi, girl. Look at that. You got a new haircut? You got some red bows for Christmas? Lacey. Hi, beautiful.
Hello. So I am about to film. I think I'm gonna film this look right here. But I obviously already have my lips on, so I'm gonna make it like a holiday look. So just like that. Focus. Eyeshadow. So I'm in my makeup room. It's a mess. Pretty much ready to start. And I am wearing the usual. So I probably just have to change real quick, at least my top. I got my wine right here. So I'm finally done. I shot some pictures with the red lip and then I switched it over to a nude because it looks so much better with a nude. It's so dramatic to have a red lip with. But yeah, so now I'm going to go check out the pictures that I just shot and hopefully edit and post one on Instagram. But first, I got a new PR package in the mail today, so I figured I would open it on camera and then I'll take pictures of that for my Instagram story as well. So let me just move on to the floor here. So this is from Jeffra. Hello, healthy skin. It's kind of hard to do this while holding a camera. Okay. Oh, this is a nice box. There's like a little mirror here. And in here, see, it says love your skin. Hi beauty queen. In this box you will find the Jeffra Royal Boost Ritual. Happy to meet you and ready to work its royal magic. And let's see, what do we have here? It says purifying gel cleanser. This says detox clay mask. And this is moisturizer. And this is sunscreen. So probably don't need the sunscreen right now, but this stuff I'm excited to try out. I'll throw that in my bathroom and start working that into my routine. I was hoping that I was gonna get a couple more packages to also open today, because I normally like to wait until I have like a few, and then I just sit down, open on my story and whatever. But that one just came today and figured I would open it. So yeah, now I'm going to go downstairs and edit some pictures, post on Instagram, and hopefully order some dinner. I just signed up for a new like meal delivery program called Hungry Root, and it's supposed to be here, but it is 8:19, so I don't think it's coming. And it's supposed to be like Monday deliveries, and I was using Green Chef, and I really liked them, but the recipes always took like 25 to like 45 minutes to make, and I just figured I would be so busy this month, like working like extra. Hungry Root is supposed to have 10-minute meals, and instead of sending 3 meals for 2 people, they were sending in their package for like $70 and whatever, it's 6 meals. And then it also comes with like 2 snacks and a breakfast. So I was excited to get it, hoping to make it tonight. If it comes in the next like 10 minutes or so, I will be making it, but otherwise I'm gonna be ordering in. The food didn't come, so I'm going to pick some up right now. So we just got back from picking up food, and look what's on the doorstep. Seriously? 10 minutes too late. Just finished eating. I had to take my lashes off. They were too itchy. And I'm watching a little Vanderpump Rules, and I'm about to open this box.
Sorry, my head's all over the place right now.
Okay. Okay, well, that's a lot of stuff. I am going to pack it into the refrigerator and then just watch some TV. Good night.